My backyard art show. Once upon a sunny morning, Cameron woke up with a big idea. Today, I'm going to have an art show in my backyard, he cheered, jumping out of bed. Cameron gathered his crayons, markers, and a big stack of paper. He drew a rocket zooming to the moon, a rainbow over a castle, and a puppy wearing a red hat. Each picture made him smile. He hung his art on the fence with clothespins and made a sign. Cameron's amazing art show. Everyone welcome. With a basket of chalk, Cameron drew arrows down the sidewalk. He knocked on his neighbor, Mr. Lee's door. Would you like to come to my art show? He asked. Mr. Lee smiled. I love to, Cameron. Cameron invited his friends, Abby and Sam, and even Mr. Green from across the street, who always wore funny hats. Soon, neighbors followed the chalk arrows to Cameron's backyard. They oohed and ahed at his rocket, clapped for his rainbow, and giggled at the puppy in the red hat. Cameron gave everyone a crayon and said, let's make art together. Soon, the fence was filled with drawings, flowers, dragons, and even a giant smiling sun. When the show ended, Cameron took a bow. Thank you for coming to my backyard art show, he said, grinning from ear to ear. That night, Cameron fell asleep dreaming of rockets, rainbows, and another amazing art show. The end.